Hello, my name is Joellen, and I'm going to give you a tour through the animal cell, which is the eukaryotic cell. This is my display, or my example. Not all cells are perfectly circular, like mine display, but it's an example. So we're going to start off with the nucleus, which is like the brain of the cell. It's right here. It's kind of ovally. The nucleus is the brain, and it contains the genetic material, also known as DNA. Now inside the nucleus, there is a little nucleus, also known as the nucleolus, which produces ribosomes, protein, and sends them through the nucleus out into the cell. And then inside the cell, we have genetic material, also known as DNA. So then we have the rough ER, which is right here. The reason it is rough and not smooth, like the smooth ER, is because it has ribosomes in it. And ribosomes are what make it rough. It is the transporter. It transports things from one part of the cell to another. So then we have the smooth ER, which has no ribosomes, which makes it smooth. Also a transporter case, like FedEx and UPS. So, and then we have the vacuole, which is right here. If I turn it sideways, you can see it kind of sticks up. It is made of straw, and it has water in it because the vacuole is like the vacuum bags inside your vacuum. Holds all the stuff that it needs, like food, water, waste, and other materials. So then after the vacuole, we have the mitochondria, which are these little silver things throughout the cell. And the mitochondria is the mighty powerhouse. It's like it says, it's the powerhouse. It produces energy the cell needs to carry out the functions of the cell. So then we have the ribosomes, which are the little beads throughout here, little beads that also in the rough ER, in the rough endoplasmic reticulum. And the ribosomes produce protein, assemble amino acids to create proteins. So they're the protein makers. They make protein. And then we have DNA, which I've already discussed, is the genetic material inside of the nucleus. And then the cell membrane, all the way around the cell. And the cell membrane allows things to come into the cell and exit the cell. And comes into the cell, only members are allowed. So if we have a different cell, the ribosome from a cell that got let out of its cell membrane and is trying to enter, it has to be a member to get into this cell. So then, after cell membrane, we have the cytoskeleton, which is this pink straw. Keeps the shape of the cell. If you don't have a cytoskeleton, it's just like jello. Now, cells are in your blood and in your body, and it doesn't mean that you have to, but doesn't mean that it is not jello, but this is pretty hard. So, yes, it can bend, but it keeps the shape of a circle. And then cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a gel-like fluid that organelles are found. So My cytoplasm is air. It's clear in the actual cell. That's why I don't actually have it. But it keeps everything in place. Thank you for watching, and I would hope you like this. See me next time, and I will describe the parts of a prokaryotic cell. Thank you.